So in training for the one-arm pull-up, I ended up with some bad golfer's elbow, and now I'm trying to resolve that. And one of the exercises I should be doing in order to get stronger is to do scapula pull-ups. Like so. So in today's video, I want to find out how heavy we can go on this exercise, and I hope getting close to 100 kilos. Let's find out how well I will do. Let's go! Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. That shows that the scapula has some very strong muscles indeed. So yeah, I'll keep you posted how it goes on the rehab. Guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!